afternoon. It's now the very end of our 8th grade year. Some of you have known since junior K or kindergarten, and some of you have only known for a few years. Now all of us are headed to the next stage of our lives. My hope is that some of what I'm going to say will stick with you. The first thing I want to share with you all is to apply yourself. That wherever you are, whether you're in class or playing sports or just hanging out, that you do your best. Learn the most you can, put in effort, and if you're out to have fun, that you and your friends are actually having fun. So you try your best, and the areas of your life will be the best. One part of putting work into something is to revise your approach and how you think about everything. This was evident this year for me, even while I was writing this speech. First, I simply tried to write it, but then after attempting to start it, my mom told me to organize the points I wanted to talk about. Got me to realize that the style in which I was writing was not my own, which was incredibly helpful. The people you spend time with are very important. These people should care for you, and you should care for them. But most importantly, you should like being around them. Sometimes, depending on how close you look or how well you know someone, you may have traits which you admire and learn from. Elliot, for as long as I've known him, has always been loud and assertive, two things which I'm not. Walter is also loud, but can appreciate and observe things and write with their work. Lily never expresses the need to prove herself or draw attention. Finally, I would like to acknowledge how lucky we are. Throughout history, 99% of people have lived in poverty, and still many do today. We are lucky to be born in America and to be able to go to safe halls, with food and water and freedom of religion. And just as Jesus saved us, we ourselves have nothing to earn it, and the only thing we can do is to utilize the opportunity we have. The education provided at St. Paul's is a foundation which many people don't have, and gives us all the opportunity to be leaders wherever we go next. And if you apply yourself in everything you do, you revise your approaches and ways of thinking. You surround yourself with people you can learn from. You appreciate all you have and take advantage of the opportunities you've been given. You do everything you can to bring out the best in other people and yourself, and you will do extraordinary.